how to log in to Pune University. So if you want to log into Pune University, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then simply go for the search bar and search for Pune University login. And once you've searched here under the first, you will have login, or you can also go for the second search, which is student profile system. Click on that. And once you click on that, it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your login option. So you can select your login option, which is your email ID or your mobile number. So I'll be choosing email ID, and you need to enter your email ID on the second blank. And once you enter your email ID, you need to enter your password on the next blank. So enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create account, which is on the bottom, so that you can create your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in, then enter your email ID and your password, and here you need to enter your CAPTCHA. So enter the letters, which you can see here. And once you enter your information, you can simply click on login, which is here on the bottom left. And once you click on login, it will log into your Pune University account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Pune University. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.